I'm John O'Donnell. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of a financial services firm, and I came to OCL to have my eyes corrected. I've had contact lenses now for over 40 years. It's always been part of my life. I'm quite a sporty person. I've been mountains, I've been running, I've been by a football pitch, and quite often we get problems with my contact lenses then. You get wind, dirt in them. I was in a race, I was running across the Sahara Desert, and unfortunately there was a lot of sandstorms. I got a lot of sand in my face and eyes, and that led to eye infections in both eyes. So I went straight to the hospital back in the UK. Mr. Ramesh treated me and did a great job, sorted my eyes out. I was very happy to take his recommendations and went on to do the eye surgery. Around the same time as having the eye surgery, I also needed to have a filling with the dentist. And I'll tell you what, the eye surgery was a lot less painful. It took only 5 minutes per eye. It wasn't particularly painful. Actually, I found it quite restful and relaxing. And every stage, lots of tests, very efficient, very friendly, give me lots of information, reassurance that the results speak for itself. I have much better eyesight now than I'd even with corrective contact lenses before. I wish I'd done it about 2 decades sooner.